Welcome back, y'all. So I have some exciting news. I have updated the base template in the Online Price Estimator course. So this template will be added to the course. If you are in the course, you get lifetime updates. So even though this course has been out for almost a year, you're still going to get the updates. You do not have to pay again. You don't have to buy any add-ons or anything like that. So the base template is updated. It is available. It is editable in Canva. So this is my version, the demo version, with the Brand Your Art logo and the Brand Your Art color for our new branding. You can change your logo out. You can change everything about this form. You can change all of the services, all of the prices. This is just the demo template. Any service provider can use this. You do not have to do nails. You can be a tattoo artist. You can be a baker, a photographer, a florist, a wedding planner, whatever you do, a graphic designer, whatever it is you do. If you have base services and add-ons and maybe even some type of discount coupons, etc., so on and so forth, you totally can use this base template and change everything on it. I just want to make sure that was clear because I get a lot of questions from people asking, can only nail techs use this? No, anybody doing any types of services with add-ons can use this online price estimator. You can send it as a link to people. You can embed it right on your website. There are a lot of options that you can do with this online price estimator. So I just want to get that out of the way. So now I'm going to demonstrate exactly how it works. Now we have radio buttons. A lot of people were saying, hey, it would be cool if someone could just check a box and then it would give them their subtotal and their final total. Well, this is pretty much the happy medium. So what you would do is select a base service, then you'd select your add-ons. If there were any discounts to be applied, you would check those off here as well. If they have more than one of something, so say for instance, you allow your clients to get $5 off for every person that they refer, you can select how many people. You can also change how many they are able to. So I set this to 5, meaning they can only refer 5 people to get 25 bucks off, right? So anyway, back to this. So we're gonna just decide that this person is gonna get a freestyle full set, 2 3D flowers, 1 on each ring finger. They are also going to add in a cuticle oil pen, and they paid their deposit already, or they're going to pay a deposit once they book. So we're going to go ahead and select freestyle full set. You can see we got $100 down here as our final total so far and our subtotal, but we're going to add in everything else. They're getting 2 3D flowers. So this is the same. They will be able to select how many nails they want something on. And I show you how to set this up in the Online Price Estimator course. We're going to go ahead and click 2 nails. Now we are at 116. They also would like to purchase a cuticle oil pen. So we are going to go ahead and select that. Now we are at a subtotal of $121. They are going to book. So they've decided they're going to pay their online deposit. And this should be their final total when they come to see you. If you don't offer deposits, you do not have to put this here. I'll show you how to customize this exactly for what you need for your salon or your independent business or whatever it is you do. So if you don't offer deposits, or if your deposit is a different amount, you can update that and change that as well. So their final total is $101. Let's say they want to decide, maybe I don't want to spend $100 after I pay a deposit. Maybe I want to spend less. What do? Because you can't click off of these. If you click another one, it's just going to keep adding it. So what do you need to do? They're going to go up here right in this corner to options, and this will be available for them no matter who you set this up for, no matter who you are. Options, clear document data. It will ask you, are you sure? And then you would hit clear, and now we're back to 0. So they can reset this and say, I don't really want to spend that much. Let's see, what do you have on here that I can actually afford that's in my price range? Maybe I'll just do a basic full set and then still get my 2 3D flowers. And then I will still pay my deposit. Now my total is cut in half. So they can play around with this, and they not only get the price transparency, but this really kind of keeps the haggling down. So if you quote them $121 for a freestyle full set, they need their cuticle oil pen. So they're at $56. But if you quote them $121 for the freestyle full set and the 3D flowers and the cuticle oil pen, if you just say that off the bat when they DM you, they may be a little put off. But if you are sleeping and they sent you a message and this is the form that they end up on, they can play around with it and say, hey, oh, maybe I want to spend less. I'm going to change this out. You can always add some instructions if you want. If they would like to clear the form, maybe put that up there and say, hey, if you want to, play around with different services. I don't know if you should say the word play around, but if they would like to just do some different calculations, you can always instruct them that, hey, if you just click over here under options, you can even screenshot this little part right here and then circle this. That's a little tip for you. If you're going to give them instructions, maybe just put a screenshot and say, hey, click over to the top left corner and clear the document data. If you want to just try out different services and see, what you can get your total down to if you are working with a specific budget. You can just do all of these different things with this. So, and if they already know, hey, I know I referred 2 people, I'm going to go ahead and click the 2. And then there we go. We got our $10 discount and we got our, actually this is set up so if the person has referral rewards, they can't use that combined with their deposit. But also you can change that however you want to change it. So if you want to let them pay a deposit and give the referral rewards, totally can do that. You may even want to put a little disclaimer down here under discounts that says discounts cannot be combined. That would have made more sense for me to do this for this tutorial, but guess who's not about to re-record it? Me. All right, so that's how it works. If you want to buy now, this link down at the bottom is active and it will take you right to the checkout. So if you click this link right here, it will ask you, do you want to open the link? And it will take you right to the checkout to go ahead and purchase the online price estimator. If you already have an account, obviously you can log in to purchase. For right now, it is only $49 for the rest of 2023. So not very much time to get it for that price. It is normally $99. Most of the students who are in the course have paid that price. It has never been this low, and it probably will never be this low again. And once you get into the course, you'll see why this was $99 and it was not something free or super cheap. It is not something you can mass produce. This is a real skill. You can actually use this skill to, even make yourself some money. So that is the online price estimator. I will be updating the branding for the actual course as we go, but we do have a new base template, and there it is.